Diego?
Yes, we're here.
You guys can come with me. You step up on the scale for me. Alright? Step right here for me. Now I'm going to take your temperature. This arm.
Okay.
Open. Just right.
Hi, Diego. It's nice to see you again. First, I'm going to use my stethoscope to listen to your heart and lungs. Next, I'm going to use my phone to get a close look at your ears. I'll check your left ear. Now your right ear. Open wide. Everything looks nice and healthy. You did great today, Diego. You're very healthy. Now I'll keep a sticker.
Thanks, Dr. Jen.
See you for next checkup.
Doctors are amazing. Yes, for the doctor.
We are looking for the Great Pyramid of Giza!
I know in Robert can use the model. The model to know what shape we're looking for.
We do not need a plot. I am a sheep. I know exactly what the pyramid looks like. Now, let's find the pyramid. There needs to be a right here. I have found it! The Great Pyramid of Giza! Somebody...
I was not sure that shape is a pyramid.
How can you say that? I just took a selfie.
But Robert, look at the model. That shape there doesn't look anything like a pyramid. It's flat sides cut base. That shape is round all over and shaped like a claw.
This is not a pyramid. What shape is it?
That's a sphere.
No, something tells me that this is a sphere.
The lucky top, Robert.
But the question is, we must keep looking for a pyramid.
Yes, a pyramid.
Come on! Where did I put that gas bracket? The Great Pyramid of Giza!
Emma doesn't think that shape is a pyramid either.
But I already took another selfie! And I posted it. And besides, this shape has flat faces, so it must be a pyramid.
But I've always thought that it has flat faces. But look, a pyramid has faces that are triangles. That shape there has square faces that shape like a bat.
Right?
Emma doesn't think it's a pyramid.
But if it is not a pyramid, what shape is it? There's the cube. Now, my explorer sense tells me this is a cube.
The pilot just told you that.
Does not matter. What matters is I will never find the Great Pyramid. Oh, I am going home. I'm to be on the surface. Pigeon, Coco Carol. Come on, Super Pigeon, old buddy. Let's go do some super deeds. Not yet, Rubber Ducky Man. First, I need an energy-filled breakfast of super porridge. Hey, what do you think you're doing?
I am taking your porridge.
But why?
Because I don't like porridge.
We must save that porridge. Stop that bad pancake. Hand over the porridge, you fiendish flapjack. Don't worry, Super Pigeon. Rubber Ducky Man is on the case. Squeak, squeak, and away.
Sorry, Stretch, but you just don't stack up to the man pancake.
Oh yeah? Coco Carol!
Say hello to my gooey friend.
My feet are stuck! And my wings! As soon as I help myself, we'll never get my porridge back. Yes, we will, if we work together. Then let's do it. Right.
Who tapped me? Who's tapping me?
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle.
I'm ticklish.
My porridge! Flap, Super Pigeon! I can't! You have wings of steel! My porridge!
Okay, so you got your silly porridge, but you'll never get me. Maybe I spoke too soon.
Looks like your plan came up flat.
Maybe you would like to try it. Me? Never! I said it bad. I think I changed my mind. I think I love porridge.
Wow! He ate my whole bowl! Yes, old Super Buddy, but we saved the world's porridge. And we did it together! All in a day's work for Rubber Ducky Man and Super Pigeon! Coco and Squeak Squeak! Good night, Ernie. Good night, Ernie.
Turn my wife and kids and go to bed now. Turn my wife and kids and go to bed now.
Okay.
No. No.